Good morning, student. I am Sanjit sir, your science teacher. Today I will explain fifth chapter food safety. To watch this video in bigger size, use MX Player. Student, let's start our fifth chapter food safety. Before start this chapter, we have to know why it is necessary to save our food. Because from food we get the nutrition, and this nutrition utilized by our body to carry out different activities. Means from this nutrition our body get energy and carry out the different activities. Plus carry out the proper body functions. In this chapter we are studying for few concepts like food wastage, food spoilage, factor responsible for food spoilage, food storage and preservation, and last concept is what? Food adulteration. So let's start our this chapter from first topic, that is let's recall. Student, you can see here table. In that table the first column is given, that is food and sources. Means what? From food, different sources or different foods name is given in this first column. And second column, in this second column we have to fill which nutrition we get from that food. And third column, what is their role in our body, what is the function of this nutrient in our body. We have to fill this table. Okay, so first, jowar, wheat, millet, bajra, rice. From this we get the nutrition. Which nutrition we get from this? Right, carbohydrate. And carbohydrate, from carbohydrate our body get the energy and carry out the whole day's work with this energy. Second, beans and pulses. Beans and pulses are rich of protein. Means from beans and pulses we get the proteins, and these proteins are useful to growth of our body and carry out the or fill our wounds or wear and tear of the body. Third one, oil, ghee, etc. From that we get the fat, and this fat also having a very important role in our body. For example, under our skin there is a fat layer is present which protect the skin from ruptures. Fourth one, fruit, vegetables. From fruit and vegetables we get the nutrition like vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are very necessary to carry out body functions. In our body different functions carried out. To carry out these function, vitamins and minerals are very useful. So here we studied whatever food we are eating, from that food we get the carbohydrate which is the energy source of body, then proteins, that is a building block of body, fat which is also very important in our body to carry out some works, and rather than building block from protein and fat we get the energy also. When we are starved, that time our body doesn't get carbohydrate, so that time whatever protein and fat stored in our body convert this protein and fat into energy. Vitamins, minerals, fiber and waters, these are very necessary nutrient for our body growth. So from which type of food we get this nutrition? So from wheat, jowar, pulses, rice, vegetable, fruits, etc. From this meat, eggs, from this we get this nutrition. Now student, look at this pictures. Food spoilage. Here given some picture in which showing that how the food gets spoiled. Now in first picture you can see the some grain fall down, and on that this mice is eating that food grain. So mice or some other insect spoil our food. In second picture we can see the person preparing food. He doesn't wear hand gloves, he doesn't take proper precaution. Means what? Food is not covered with the net. So in such condition what happen, the flies sit on this food, and with that they carry the microorganism also, and this microorganism bacteria, like bacteria and virus, can be settled down on the food. And if we eating such a food which is infected by bacteria and microorganism, we get the ill effects. In third picture also we can see the food seller selling the food, but these food are not covered and on that flies are sitting. So same condition carry out here also. With the flies, many bacteria and virus can be deposited over the food, and they can be cause the ill effect. In fourth picture we can see these grain bags are kept in a damp place. Damp place means wet place जहाँ पे गीला होता है. So at that place the food gets spoils. Student, next topic we are studying here, that is factor responsible for food spoilage. Now what is a food spoilage? First we have to understand what is a food spoilage. So friends, students, sometimes we see that the food skin become dark. Some odor coming from that. Odor means smell. फूड से कुछ स्मेल आती है, उसकी स्किन चेंज हो जाती है, तो दैट इज all the showing that food gets spoiled. Now how this food gets spoiled, what is the factor responsible for that? So sometime wrong handling of the food is carry out the food spoilage. Like wrong handling, like overcooking. Sometimes we overcook our food, due to that also food gets spoiled. Improperly stored means we are stored in the damp places where the water or wetness present. Due to that also food gets spoiled, because whenever food get the water, जहाँ पे भी फूड को वाटर मिलता है वहाँ पे उसको उसके ऊपर इंसेक्ट अटैक करने के ज़्यादा चांसेस होते हैं. ओके, सो इफ़ वी आर कीपिंग फूड एट द वेट प्लेस, सो देयर इज़ अ मोर चांसेस दैट इंसेक्ट अटैक ऑन द फूड एंड दे कैरी आउट द food spoilage. Sometime what happen, transportation, during transportation also we are handling food improperly, and due to that also food gets spoiled. Student, we eat the foods, and this food we get from the animal as well as plant origin. Means few food, vegetable food we get from the plant, and whereas non-veg we get from the animals. But whatever food we are eating, they must be in the good quality. Why? Because from that food we get the nutrition, and this nutrition is very necessary for our body. If we eat the bad quality of the food, so it is possibilities that we get the ill effect, we get the disease, and therefore always we have to eat good quality of food. If food gets spoiled, how to understand if the food gets spoiled? How to understand? So it get understand from its color. If the food's color changes, it is odor means smell, the bad smell coming from the food. Or it is texture मतलब means what, उसका structure if changes, it is quality lower quality की दिख रही है या taste change हो रहा है, तो then also we can understood that food gets spoiled. Student, here you can see picture, there is a vada pav pani puri. So observe and discuss this. During holidays we are going outside eating fast food like pani puri, pizza, burger, vada pav, idli dosa, all this. But student, you observe that whatever food you eating, it is prepared with using a good water, using a fresh water. No, sometime what they, to get a profit, they are using bad quality of water, and due to that also we get the disease. They are not using hygienic practice, and that due to that also this food get infected by the bacteria or viruses, and this carry out the ill effect to our body. So therefore we have to avoid eating food which is improperly handled and outside foods. here we can see few pictures of fruit is given. Now out of that, which type of fruit we have to eat? Those fruit are looking fresh, we have to eat them. Sometimes fruit skin become blacks, taste changes, and bad odor coming from the food. So such food we have to avoid to eat. Why? Because they get the spoil. सच फूड समटाइम टेस्टेड एज अ सोर, खट्टे लगते हैं, रैंसिड लगते हैं, एंड देयरफॉर वी हैव टू अवॉइड सच अ फूड्स.